Finding your way. Mastering the art of giving directions in English. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on practicing explanations in different contexts. Specifically, we're going to learn how to give directions or instructions in English. This is a crucial skill to master, whether you're navigating a city, explaining a game, or guiding someone through a task. First, we need to understand some basic phrases and vocabulary for giving directions. Here are some common words and phrases you'll use. Turn right, left. This means to change direction to the right or the left. Go straight. Continue in the same direction. At the corner, the point where two streets meet. At the end of the road, the last part of the road. Next to, beside or at the side of something. Opposite, across from, or on the other side of something. Roundabout, a circular intersection where drivers can enter or leave at many points. Remember, to explain directions clearly, you need to be precise, simple, and direct. When you're giving instructions or directions, it's best to do so in a step-by-step manner. For example, let's take an example of guiding someone to a park from a train station. The conversation could look like this. Person A, how can I get to the park from here? Person B, first, go straight down this street. Then, turn left at the roundabout. You'll see a bookstore on your right. Keep going until you reach the end of the road. Finally, you'll find the park right opposite the big supermarket. The use of sequence words like first, then, and finally can make your instructions clearer and easier to follow. To ensure the other person has understood your directions, you can ask for confirmation. You might say something like, "Does that make sense? Do you understand the directions? Would you like me to explain again?" Well, that's a wrap on today's lesson on how to give directions and instructions in English. It's a valuable skill to have, and I hope you found these tips and examples useful. Keep practicing and remember to be clear, precise, and to always check for understanding. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!